package because some of Halloween's main colors are orange and black, right, Dad?
Correct.
Oh, cool. New Halloween trick-or-treating. Oh, I see candy! Candy! What's this? Candy! Stuffed Snoopies. Cool.
Oh my goodness.
And dance! I know that tune. Sorry about dropping this, Snoopy.
Is Daddy dancing? Oh, that's adorable.
And some dittos and stuff. Oh. No, these are not dittos. What?
What are they?
I don't know. Snoopy's
Yeah, I think they're
skeleton.
stickers.
Stickers. And now it's another Snoopy for you. And it's NASA. More NASA stickers. Look, here's 2 more. Well, looks like we each got. I wonder what's in here. It's a pet! Whoa, I've always wanted something like that. And the other one! It's an F-22. You've got an F-22 and I've got an F-22 too.
22 too?
And look! There's a button on it. Ooh, cool. Oh, that's really cool. Aiden, we have Mickles. Yeah, and bombs. Oh, nothing else.
What do you guys say to Grandma and
And
Grandpa?
look, thank you. Huh? We got a Berenstain Bears movie also. Mom,
Ooh,
can we have
Halloween
some candy?
treats. You can have 1 piece before bed.
Okay.
What do
Mom,
you say to Grandma and Grandpa though?
Thank you. Hey, they have some Twix.
What else should you say? Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.